Hi people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to factor fractions, basic fractions, or how to simplify basic fractions. So let's go on some problems. So what if you have a 14x squared times y divided by 63 times x times y. So in order to simplify this, what we're going to do is just break them down. So yung 14, we can just say it is 7 times 2. And then yung x squared, we just can say x times y. And yung 63, we can say it is 9 times 7 and times x times y. So as you can see, we can just cancel both the numerator and denominator, yung same values nila. So the answer is 2y. So you can just pause the video if you wanted to understand. Actually, I think it is x. So it is actually x. So the answer here is 2x over, wait, 2x over 9. That's the answer for this problem. So now let's move on to our second problem on what if we have x squared over x raised to the fifth. You can just say this is x squared divided by x raised to the fifth. So yung x squared, we can just say it's x times x. Instead denominator, we can just say x times 5. X times x times x times x times x. And then we can just cancel all the x. Or we can use one of the property of algebra, which is we're going to subtract it kapag division sa exponents. So it is x raised to the negative 3 or 1 over x cubed. And that's 1 over x cubed. That's the answer. Now let's move on to our third problem. What if much bigger yung nasa numerator, yung exponent sa numerator, and hindi sa denominator? So what we have y raised to the fourth divided by y raised to the second power. So gamitin natin yung technique kanina, yung sa property of fractions and exponents. So y raised to the 4 minus 2 is y squared. Or we can just simply y times y times y times y over 1 times y. So as you can see, we can just cancel yung same sa numerator and denominator. So we got y squared or y squared over 1. Now let's move on to our last problem. Let's make this more complex or much more harder. What if we have 21 times x times y raised to the second power divided by 28 times x squared times y. Okay lang. So 7 times 3 times x times y times y. And then 7 times 4 times x times y times y times y. What we can do here is just cancel all the x values, the same values that we find. And then we got 3 over 4 x. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and goodbye.